Do you guys know about custom GPTs? That's insane. That is bonkers. So if you don't know what that is, this is a nice little tangent. It is where you can take Chat GPT and you can feed it specific information about you or your business or your music or whatever, and create like a custom Chat GPT about your stuff. So I created my own. I call her Zadia, and I have fed Zadia. This is so nerdy. I gave her instructions where I said, okay, Zadia, I want you to have this proverbial infinity gauntlet, like from Marvel. And there's going to be the 6 knowledge stones that you're going to put into your infinity gauntlet. And each one focuses on a different concept of business. You know, one is about like, well, I'll pull it up right now. This is so nerdy. I was not planning to talk about this. So I have the business stone, funnel stone, psychology stone, traffic stone, content stone, and the niche stone. I don't know if you want me to go super deep into that. I guess I can do my own like episode about that. That might be interesting. But each one of those stones has like tons and tons of books on the subject, right? Like, for example, the funnel stone has all of Russell Brunson's books, has all the information about funnels. You know, I feed it, you know, like new information about the newest data that comes out about funnels, and it's all inside of there. And then I also have, so I've done that for all the stones, right? So each stone is just a category of a part of the business that is really important to DAW Nation. And then I fed it all the information about my stuff, so being like my business model and all the little intricacies and all the systems that I've figured out. And so now I have like this AI business partner that I can come in and say, hey, I'm thinking about, for example, doing a comeback episode. What do you suggest that I talk about? And that's where I got the idea. You should ask your fans. I'm like, oh, that's a great idea. Like, you know, I should ask your fans what questions you want. Anyways, so it's incredible. So you could have your own music brand AI business partner. You feed it all, you give it your brand story. Here's the artists that I really look up to. Here's all these books of music business that I, you know, it knows all this information that I don't know, so on and so forth. And then you can go and ask it. It keeps track of your stuff. Dude, it's crazy. It's so cool. DAW Nation, listen very closely. This is not the end to this content. This was a teeny tiny little snippet from our full episode. You can check out the full episode in the link in the description. And when you go to the free episode, you can get a free pack over there. So go check it out right now. Why are you still here? Get out of here. Go check it out. We'll see you over there.